waiting for.
Netflix and Pop-Tarts. Netflix and Pop-Tarts. Yeah, Netflix and Pop-Tarts.
Hello, Carlin Bantog. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Carly! God bless! Enjoy your birthday! Be humble! I love you! Ate Carlin!
Hi Carlin! Happy 17th birthday sa'yo! Enjoy your day and God bless!
Happy birthday, Ate Carlin!
Happy birthday, Carlin! I'm sure magiging masaya ka ngayong araw na ito dahil kaarawan mo. At hindi lang yon, sa new journey ng buhay mo, I'm sure magiging masaya ka pa and always do your best. Okay? Nandito si Ninong Dave, of course, and also your parents at lahat ng mga tao nagmamahal sa'yo. We love you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Carlin! Happy birthday!
Continue to seek God wholeheartedly, and we declare Jeremiah 29:11 to your life. God bless! Happy birthday!
Happiest birthday, Carlene. Praying for God's best plan and purpose to unfold in your life. God bless and enjoy your day.
Hi, Carlene. Happy birthday. My wish for you is more blessings, protection, success, and more adventure to your life. Please continue your strong faith with God and always be a good daughter, okay? Happy birthday again. Take care.
Happy birthday, Carlene! God bless!
Hello, Apo. 17 ka na ngayon. Masaya kami dahil napakabait mong bata at may faith ka kay Lord. Pagpatuloy mo yan, baby. Wish namin sa iyo ay maging mabuting bata lagi at makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Huwag mo na magbo-boyfriend. Happy birthday, Carlin!
Happy birthday, Apo! Coco!
Ate!
We love you!
We miss you!
God bless!
God bless!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Carly! We love you!
Hi, Carlene. Happy birthday. I pray that you will continue fight the good fight of faith and keep pursuing Jesus. Fix your eyes on Jesus. God bless.
Happy birthday, Carlene. I hope and wish that your birthday goes well today. And I thank God for your life and hope that you fulfill all of your dreams.
Hi, Carlene. Happy 70th birthday. May the Lord grant the desires of your heart in accordance to His will. God bless you.
Hi, Carlene. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Carlene. Wishing you all the best. God bless.
Ayo, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Carlene. I wish you will enjoy your day. God bless.
Blessed happy birthday, Carlene. We love you and God bless.
Hi, Ate Carlene. Happy 18th birthday. Love you. Be a good girl always.
Hello, good morning, Carlene. Wish you all the best in your birthday. Good luck and good health.
Happy birthday, Carly. It's Kuya Andre and
it's Tita May from UK. Red is not around, so it's just the two of us. So happy birthday. We wish you good health, more blessings, and study hard. We love you from UK. Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Hello, Carlene. Happy birthday. This is your Ninang Mai, and you're at a very exciting time in your life, and I wish you all the best sa lahat ng mga gagawin mo, and always pray to God para may guidance ka lagi. Happy birthday!
This message goes out to Carly. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day today. I know you've had lots of messages from other friends and family. I just want to wish you all the best for this next year, and whatever you decide to do in the future, I know your mum and dad will be very proud of your accomplishments. Have a wonderful day and a happy birthday to you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday na! Tandaan mo na mahal ka ni Daddy palagi. Saka itong mga pagod at hirap na ginagawa namin, mga sakripisyo, ito para sa inyo, sa future nyo. Ang dasal lang namin at pili is sana huwag ka palaging mainit ang ulo. Be a good example, ate. Huwag mo naman ang panganay, okay? Laging humble, laging mahinaw, okay? Always remember na mahal ka namin. I love you, ate. Happy birthday.